थ्री। आज हम बेसिक केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और पहला टॉपिक है इसमें एलिमेंट्स, डेफिनेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। एन एलिमेंट इज डिफाइंड एज ए substance in which all the atoms are chemically identical having same atomic number. For example, iron, silver, gold, copper, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. एलिमेंट जो है वो हम इस तरह डिफाइन कर सकते हैं जिसका केमिकली एटॉमिक नंबर सेम होगा। ठीक है। अब द परसेंटेज ऑफ कॉमन एलिमेंट्स इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज एज फॉलोज। ऑक्सीजन 50% है, सिलिकॉन 26%, एल्यूमिनियम 7%, आयरन 4%, अदर एलिमेंट 3%, कैल्शियम 3%, सोडियम 2.5%, पोटाशियम 5%, मैग्नीशियम 2%. At present 92 elements are found in nature and another 20 have been artificially prepared in laboratory. That's it. Now our heading is symbol. A symbol is an abbreviation for the chemical name of an element and present only one atom of the element. Usually the first letter of the English name of the element in capital is taken as a symbol of that element. Symbol of some common element consisting of only one letter are given below in the table. Elements and their symbols. Elements, symbols. Name of element boron, symbol is capital B. Nitrogen, symbol is capital N. Hydrogen, symbol is capital H. Oxygen, symbol is capital O. Sulfur, symbol is capital S. Fluorine, symbol is capital F. Iodine, symbol is capital I. Phosphorus, capital symbol is capital P. When different elements begin with the same letter, the first letter capital is followed by a second small letter taken from the name of the same element. Symbol of some elements consisting of two letters are given in this table. Elements and their symbols. Now we are explaining, I am explaining symbol of two alphabets. Calcium, symbol is capital C and then A. Cobalt, CO. C is capital and O is small. Chromium, C is small and R is C is capital and R is small. Cesium, C is capital and S is small. Chlorine, C is capital and L is small. Cadmium, C is capital and D is small. Zinc, Z is capital and N is small. Zirconium, Z is capital and R is small. Barium, B is capital and A is small. Bromine, BR, B is capital and R is small. Beryllium, B is capital and E is small. Bismuth, B is capital and I is small. Magnesium, M is capital and G is small. Manganese, M is capital and N is small. Sometimes symbol is derived from the Latin name of the element. Symbols of some element derived from their Latin names are given in below. Table. Symbol of elements based on their Latin names. Now English name and Latin name. And third one is symbols. Copper, Latin name cuprium. Symbol is Cu. C capital, U small. It is derived from Latin name. Silver, Latin name argentum, Ag symbol. Gold, Orient, symbol is Au. Mercury, Hydrargyrum, symbol is Hg. Lead, plumbum, symbol is Pb. Iron, ferrum, Latin name is ferrum, symbol Fe. Tin, stannum, symbol is Sn. Potassium, kalium, symbol is capital K. Sodium, natrum, symbol is